guys, welcome to SKP's Kitchen Corner. Today we are going to be making a delicacy that you can get in any street in India, and it is very tasty. So it is golgappa fries, if you've not guessed. So today we're just going to teach you how to make a healthier version, because not many people don't eat Pani Puri because it's got a lot of oil. So we're going to be doing the healthier. We're going to put it in a microwave and we're going to show you how. Okay, now we're going to put our... So put them around the edges. So now we put them in, and always put them at the edges, don't put them in the middle. So we're going to put them in for 20 seconds, and we're going to put them in for 1 minute and check around 20 seconds. As you can see, we have some early risers that are already started to rise. So as you can see, most of them are done, and some of the reds are not done. Okay, so you can see we have like nice spiny bodies, nice and round. And so it's got that nice crunchy texture to it. So we can break into it and make that nice cracking sound.